At Innostrat Solutions, we're driven by one goal: helping you overcome your assembly and inspection challenges with reliable custom solutions designed specifically for your unique needs. With nearly 50 years of innovation and expertise, we've partnered with Tier 1, Tier 2, primes and OEMs in the USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, and Asia to deliver cutting-edge automation and inspection solutions that drive efficiency and boost capacity. From AI-powered inspections to fully automated production lines, we offer an end-to-end package to ensure your operations run smoothly. At Innostrat, quality and reliability aren't just goals. They're the cornerstone of everything we do. Our products consistently meet the stringent requirements of ISO 9001 certification. As a certified minority-owned and controlled goods registered company, we're committed to delivering high-quality results every time, no exceptions. Since 1975, we've proudly served industries that shape the world: automotive, aerospace and defense, medical, energy, food, and furniture. We specialize in high-speed inspection systems that harness the power of IIoT, AI, vision, and advanced sensing technologies like LVDT and laser systems. Built with Industry 4.0 in mind, our solutions provide unmatched data collection and analysis to empower faster, smarter decision-making. Our expertise doesn't stop there. Innostrat Solutions leads the way in automated robotics production, including assembly lines, ultrasonic welding, leak testing, and POCA yoke stations, each designed with full traceability to ensure quality at every step. Innovation is in our DNA at Innostrat. Our advanced manufacturing capabilities, from 5-axis CNC machining and 3D printing to MIG welding, are fueled by our dedication to research and development. This keeps us at the cutting edge of technological advancements, ensuring you always have the best tools to succeed. Whether you're seeking precision inspection gauges, fully automated robotic lines, or EV battery tooling components, Innostrat is your trusted partner. Our solutions are engineered for precision, efficiency, and uncompromising quality. Headquartered in Waterloo, Ontario, Innostrat Solutions is here to help your business grow and thrive in a rapid excellence. That's what we deliver. Ready to turn your next big idea into reality? Visit us at innostrat.com to explore how our innovative solutions can drive your success.